Graphite. Graphite has layered structure and each carbon in graphite is sp2 hybridized. So the structure is layered. Okay. And each carbon is sp2 hybridized. So these are arranged in different layers and each carbon is sp2 hybridized and these layers are attracted by van der Waals forces. Okay, layers are attracted by van der Waals forces. Okay, so next the distance between two layers are 340 pm. Distance between two layers are 340 pm, and in this case each layer is composed of planar hexagonal rings of carbon atom. Okay, each layer contains planar hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. Okay, and the CC bond distance in these rings, in these hexagonal rings, is 141.5 pm. Okay, so CC bond length in hexagonal ring is 141.5 pm. Okay. Next, each carbon atom in this graphite forms 3 sigma bonds with 3 neighboring carbon atoms. Each carbon atom forms 3 sigma bonds with 3 neighboring carbon atoms. And fourth electron in each carbon atom forms a pi bond. Okay. Each carbon contains fourth electron, which forms a pi bond. Okay, so electron is present in the p orbital of each carbon atom. It forms, these p orbitals overlap and form pi bond. So we can say it is delocalized. Okay, it is delocalized and electrons can jump from one p orbital to the other p orbital, and electrons are mobile in the whole sheet. Okay. So, due to this property, the electrons can move from one p orbital to the other and these electrons are easily movable. So, we can say it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So, graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Next, graphite cleaves easily between the layers because these are held together by weak van der Waals forces. Okay, so they can cleave easily. So we can say it is very soft and slippery. Graphite is very soft and slippery. Because they can cleave easily between the layers. So, graphite is used as a good lubricant, okay, at very high temperature. Used as a good lubricant at very high temperature. But in the case of oil and grease, we are used as a lubricant. Will denatured easily at very high temperature. Denatured easily at high temperature. Okay. So graphite is preferred. Over oil or grease. Okay, oil or grease as a lubricant. Graphite is a better lubricant on moon than on earth. Give reason. Okay, in the case of graphite, graphite contains hexagonal sheets of carbon which are held together by weak van der Waals forces. Okay, contains hexagonal sheets of carbon held together by weak van der Waals forces and has less density. Okay, due to this it has less density. Now in the moon we know this graphite experiences less weight due to less gravitational force and has low density. Okay, in moon graphite experiences less weight. Okay, due to less gravitational force and it has less density. So we can say these lighter layers are slide over one another easily than on earth. Okay, so it acts as a better lubricant on moon than on earth. So the lighter layers. The layers are lighter because they have low density. So the lighter layers can slide over one another. Can slide easily on moon than on earth. So it acts as a better lubricant in moon. Okay.